How to see backup photos in Google Photos. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you see or view backup photos in Google Photos. So let's get started. First, open the Google Photos app. After you open Google Photos, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, at the top right, simply tap on your profile picture. Now from here, if you get the option for backup is on, it means that backup is turned on and your photos are safely stored in your Google account. To view only your backup photos, back from here and you can get all of the indication like one indication symbol at the bottom right corner of the photo or video. You can view it and confirm that picture or video is backed up on your Google account. Extra tip, you can switch your phones. Just log in same Google account in your another phone and if you get back or you are seeing all backup photos instantly, even they are in not your device anymore, it means that photos are saved in your Google backup. And that's it. This is the way you can see or view backup photos in Google Photos. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.